Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, higher highs and higher lows, so certainly some updates here need to be done on this one. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not really relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, this 45.90-ish area was that level of resistance, but the price got above it, and then you can see, just acted beautifully. Price came down here and bounced off it a couple times. So great to see that area now acting as support. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying if the price falls below that area, then all of a sudden that means the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. Preferably speaking, yeah, staying above that level would be a fantastic sign of power. But by no means is that some sort of like do or die level or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above it, that'd be an impressive sign of strength. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one now has very clearly become right up there at 47.50. The price has been up that level several times, and it's just never been able to quite build enough momentum to get above it and stay above it. So you want to watch that very closely. But all in all, any angle you look at it, as long as this thing keeps on putting in those higher highs and higher lows, that is by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.